Morning, city councilors were presented with the results of a study analyzing 10 and 100-year floodplains in Wichita Falls. The study, begun in 2017, unveiled several key findings, including the FEMA flood map and flood insurance study, how it's limited and outdated. The study also found in the 100-year floodplain spanning from around Del Rio Trail to Sykes Lake, 219 properties have been added, totaling 456 properties. In 10-year floodplain, currently there are 340 properties, with the proposed 13 improvements starting next year and lasting until 2024. 109 properties would be removed from the 10-year floodplain and 86 from the 100-year floodplain.
Our hope is to, number one, educate those people that might be at more risk so that they know that they're at risk, and then also to go in and try to do the best we can economically to improve the area.
The total cost in the proposed projects comes in at more than $15 million, all expected to be paid with money from the Stormwater Utility Fund.